Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about the great Twitter, that how you can remove any retweeted tweets from your tweet feed. Many time it happens with us that we just retweet any tweet, or by mistake we retweet any tweet. Then we think that we should remove this tweet, or we want to remove that tweet by any reason. Now but when we try to delete that tweet from our profile, we not able to find the option over there, and we think that how we can do so. Many time it happens with us that there is a simple option over there, but if we don't know, then it will be very headache for us. Now I'm going to telling you that first of all, in my profile I just retweeted this tweet from our channel How to Do It, and I'm thinking about that how I can delete that particular tweet without any hesitations. Then I searched for deleting the tweet. If you see that if I want to delete that tweet, I can easily from click over that option button and just click on this delete tweet. But if I retweeted any tweet and I click on this option button, I will see options like this, and I not find any deleting option for that from retweet. Now if we click on this, we land up in the others Twitter feed, and we not able to find the option for that. Now what we can do and how we can do and how we can remove that tweet. First of all, I'm requesting you, please like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this, and comment below if you want to know anything more. Now as you can see, I'm in my profile and I want to just remove this tweet from my feed. Here is a no option over here. Then what we can do, we have to just press this tweet, and after that below over there we find a green colors retweet icon over here, and when we click on this, it will ask you that you want to undo retweet. Then we click on this, and after that the tweet will be removed from our profile. Hope you understand that how you can remove any retweeted tweet. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.